Alright, so got lights all the way around it. It's got an older fidget spinning bearing that I had in this device, and I upset it because I moved it around, as you heard. It's quiet there at the beginning, but as you see, she's running them lights all the way around, and she just blew that cap off. She's at 1503 on the voltage for the battery, and this cap, if I check the cap, it says it's at 73 and climbing, getting ready to pop off again. And then this is another jump out lead, and it shows that it's throwing out 3 volts. It varies depending on how fast that thing spins. If it's free flowing, that thing gets boogieing. You'll go up there, as you see. But, just I know one of these guys that I've basically one of those in a wooden setup, so that way I don't have no feedback from the magnet, because this thing's pretty much like a self-start. No matter where I put the thing, if I get it just right, see, it just kicks itself. Starts right up. Yeah, and it also does pretty good high flashes on them lights. If I get it. Just take that off again. And I have her designed to run fully, don't I? That's the dog. On 2 batteries that I put a cap in there, catch some of that flyback and help with the battery run. That battery I've had, 3 days now on this. Every day I start it up, I shut it off at night, but I start up and just let it run. As you can tell, I need to stop it for the evening and clean the bearing. But normally she just perfect hits. Everything else is going right now, even the little shaker. So, go.